Hi, this is Stephanie Ovak. In this series, we're going to be talking about embellishments and ways to add them into your scrapbook. Embellishments are an important part of every page. They help bring your pictures to life. They add excitement and interest to the pages. There's all kinds of different ones we can use. I'll try to give you pointers and tips and different things we can do. There's buttons and fun ways to add them, brads and how to use them, punches, die cuts, including using a die cut machine, ribbons and different ways we can add those, metal, plastics, epoxy. There's chipboard. I'll show you how to use that and how to change the colors and use different things with it. There's stickers, ways you can use just your basic sticker and change them to make them even more interesting. It's kind of boring sometimes just to add a regular sticker, so I'll give you some ideas with those. Eyelets are a fun tool to use, and I'll show you how to use them with a couple different tools. Rub-ons and how to apply them, and we'll just have a lot of fun with embellishments and use them in every way that we possibly can.